nice clean fish here. So we are going to make the spice mix for it. It's nice and clean. Just going to slash it. Going to squeeze the lemon in the slashes and over the fish on both sides. Let me get more. Okay, going to let that sit and make the spice rub. Okay, so over here I have salt, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of toasted crushed coriander, 2 teaspoons of Amchur. Amchur is green mango, dried green mango powder. I have 3 teaspoons of red chili pepper. You can use 1, you can use 2, or you can use 3. It's up to one's taste. This cumin is also toasted, and then I crushed it myself. So just like the coriander seeds and cumin seeds, when you toast them and then you crush them, it's a whole other level of fragrance and taste. Okay, now to mix all those spices, I'm going to use oil, or you can use butter, and we also have 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic. I'm not adding ginger, but if you like ginger with fish, go ahead. So I'd rather use the butter because that will make the fish more crispier. So let's make the rub. It should be like a paste. Add the garlic. There you go. Now I can mix it with the spices. Okay, so make sure that the butter has to be on room temperature or slightly softened in the microwave. Then you can have this kind of mixture. Otherwise, you can use the oil. Okay, now the paste is ready. All of our spices are in here. I'm going to rub it over the fish. What is different about this whole baked fish is that all these spices are made at home from whole spices. The pepper, I grind my own pepper, and cumin seeds are toasted and crushed in the little there you go. Okay, make sure that the spice goes in here first before you rub the rest over it, because you want the fish to be flavorful from inside. One of my kids actually liked the tail part, so I'm going to spice it nicely. And my husband has a thing for the heads, so yeah, I'm going to spice that too. also make sure you have spice inside the fish. Alright, you can see the tail, head, everything covered in spice. Let me do both sides equally. Don't want to leave a spot uncovered. I'm preheating the oven to 350. So between 350 and 400 you can bake the fish for 45 minutes. But make sure to check because ovens are different. Mine 45 minutes is okay. Yours might be faster than mine because mine is a very old version. There you go. Alrighty, this baby is ready to go in the oven for 45 minutes. Like I said, at 350 to 400. Alrighty, let's transfer that to a dish. Let's spray in the Pyrex in my baking dish. Let's put the fish in here. I don't know how it's going to fit, but we can try. Alrighty, that's pretty good. Let's rub the rest of the spice. You don't want to waste anything. Alrighty, this baby is going in the oven. I'll see you back in 45 minutes. Okay, Bismillah. This is my whole baked fish and I'm serving it over my haldi rice, turmeric rice with garnish with fried onions and lemon and fresh mint and fresh coriander. There you go. There you have it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. This is going to be our iftari. Stay tuned for more iftar ideas. And basic cooking is always trying to give you the easiest recipes. The whole preparation was into the preparing of the fish. The rest is the oven. Again, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bismillah. Let's eat.